Good afternoon. This is Sue Scheets from sushystamps.blogspot.com, commonly known as Sushi, and I'm starting a new weekly YouTube video. I'm going to show you neat little tricks that will help your stamping be a little bit easier. Today I'm starting with, and I'm calling this series Sushi Stampin' Snippets. And today I'm calling my video a dimple or a pimple. I don't know if you have, but when I was first starting, I wondered when I scored something how on earth I should fold it, if there was a right or a wrong way, and nobody told me anything, so I just figured there wasn't a right or a wrong way. Well, I'm going to use our Simply Scoring tool. I'm going to use the stylus that comes with the tool and has a neat little parking spot, and I'm going to use one of the little markers at the top of my Simply Scored to mark 4 1/4, which is where I want to mark my cardstock. I have my cardstock neatly in the corner, fluxed against the top and the side, and I'm going to start by putting the stylus right underneath the marker and let the board decide where it needs to go, and I make a nice crisp straight line. Now, how do I know which way to fold it? Well, look at this line right here. I think you can see it, and how it is a dent, sort of like a dimple. If you turn it over, your area is raised, sort of like a pimple. And everybody knows that you want to hide your pimple, and that's how you know which way to fold it after you've scored your cardstock. Now, since I learned this, that's in my head every single time that I score something, that I need to hide the pimple. So I hope that will help you know the correct way to fold a scored piece of cardstock. And once again, I'm going to take my tool and put it back in its parking spot. So that's it for this week's Sushi Stampin' Snippet. Come back again next Thursday for a new hint that will help you with your stamping. Bye-bye.